Hello, in this video I'll show you how to upgrade your Ubuntu system to version 17.10. But first, what's new in Ubuntu 17.10, codenamed Artful Aardvark? I'll give you the top 5 new features before showing you how to do the upgrade. Number 1. The Gnome Shell. Ubuntu used to use the Unity interface, but due to the massive amounts of requests, Unity was removed in favor of GNOME. Number 2. HIDPI display support. HIDPI is an acronym for High Dots Per Inch and is a technology which enables the quality of the display by increasing the number of pixels per inch. Number 3. The Wayland display server. A display server is a system in Linux which assists in rendering the graphics element on the screen. Ubuntu used to use X11, which is now replaced with the newer Wayland system. Number 4. Redesigned Settings screen. The settings screen is redesigned from scratch, and now it's quite similar to the settings window of Windows 10, which should make Windows converts more at home. Number 5. The Ubuntu Dock. The Ubuntu Dock is the vertical bar which is located at the leftmost edge of the screen. This consists of 2 main parts, the pinned app area and the full screen app launcher button. This is almost the same as the previous design, except the app launcher button is moved to the bottom of the screen in 17.10. The dock is mainly used for pinning frequently used apps. It also shows apps which are currently being used. Okay, so now that we've previewed 5 of the top features, we'll show you what to do for the upgrade. Start by taking a backup of the critical files in your system using Duplicity. Duplicity is a backup solution for Linux. It supports data encryption in order to secure the data while being transferred across an unsecured network. It also supports backing up the data to a number of destinations such as FTP, rsync, cloud storage, or local disk. After your backup is complete, we can move on to the upgrade process. We'll use the apt-get update and dist-upgrade. Make sure the system is connected to the internet and the download speed is relatively good, as it takes some time to download and for the upgrade to complete. Run the following commands on the terminal as superuser: sudo su, apt-get update, apt-get dist-upgrade, do release upgrade. The purpose of the dist-upgrade command is to make sure there won't be any conflicts among packages as it intelligently handles them. These commands will take some time to complete. Reboot the system when it's done. If you need to upgrade from a long-term support LTS version, there are a couple of extra steps required. As usual, make sure the system is up to date by using both apt-get update and apt-get dist-upgrade commands. Ubuntu Update Manager Core package should also be installed, which is used to upgrade the core Ubuntu files as well. Once the package is installed, configure the release upgrade file to make sure Ubuntu is upgraded to the next successive version. It provides one single parameter and 3 options: Never, Normal, and LTS. Set the parameter to Normal to upgrade from an LTS to a successive release. Never and LTS options will block the upgrade in this scenario. Go ahead and run the steps and go for a cup of coffee. Great, it completed. Now, how about reverting the upgrade if you don't like it? Ubuntu 17.10 is very stable, therefore there's no reason you should need to roll back to the previous version. Ubuntu itself doesn't provide any native function to do rollbacks, so if you really want to, you'll need to reinstall the previous version and apply the restore of the backed up files you made before the upgrade. That's an overview of the process. Before getting started, please check the link below from linuxhint.com to see the more detailed written instructions presented in this video, as well as other helpful articles about Linux. Enjoy your newly upgraded Ubuntu system.